Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to share a unboxing of my new Dior purchase. I probably put in the title of what it is already, but you know, kind of fun to guess a little bit, even though, I mean, y'all could probably tell. And before I get started, you're probably going to hear my dog snoring in the background or his little footsteps, so that's what those noises are, in case you're guessing. So let me open this up and then kind of tell you my thoughts about why I purchased it, and yeah. So here she is. Look at the packaging. I haven't gotten a package like this before because I'm kind of new to Dior, and let me tell you, Dior is like my new obsession right now. I want to buy everything from there, but I'm trying to control myself. But the packaging, it's kind of has this like really textured feel, and it has like a gold foil. I love a white and gold look. And then on the inside there's like this bee, which I love because it's kind of reminds me of my name. And then they did like this accordion wrapping here. And then, oh, there it is. Here's the receipts. I bought this at the store closest to me. Yep. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's right in there. And then they have this really cool like accordion folded tissue. And then you could probably see the title already there. Ooh, even the box is textured. Just put that there. Ooh, the box is nice and textured. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it says like a little recommendation. We recommend that you don't wear it for more than 2 consecutive days and storing them in a pouch. It's pretty cool. Very cute. Let's put that over here. And then here are the 2 dust bags that come with it. Ooh, okay, this is just something that I noticed, and probably nobody really cares, but the tissue has like very pretty, it says Dior all over it. Oh, okay, so this is kind of separating the 2 shoes, and I got the Christian Dior DWAY slides in the deep blue. Very pretty. And, ooh, they smell so good. And then here's the second pair. I'm just kind of staring at them because they're so pretty. And then here's the back. I got them in a size 37. I have like a shorter fat foot, so I guess my feet are kind of on the wide side. So I am normally a 6.5, but I chose to go for a 7. So hopefully these fit me properly. And then a little story behind why I chose to buy these. So I have never bought luxury shoes in my whole life. I always thought that, you know, if I'm going to spend a lot of money on something, it's not going to be something that I put on the floor. The most that I've ever spent on a pair of shoes is maybe like $300 for some boots or something. So this is my first pair of luxury shoes, and I live somewhere where it doesn't get too rainy most of the year. So you know, it's spring, and I love wearing slippers or flip-flops or so I thought that these would be a really good purchase for me personally. I kind of debated for the past year about getting these, but I thought it was the time just to kind of dip my toes in them and see how I like them. Oh, there's a little code under there that I never noticed. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. The sales associate that was helping me was super nice. It was the first time I worked with her. She told me that it might stretch a little bit, so I'm excited to try these out. I've watched videos of other people on YouTube talking about how comfortable they are because I don't actually know anybody with these shoes, so we'll see how they go, and I'm excited to let all y'all know about it. And then see, I'm already like a little afraid to wear them because I know that these are gonna get all scuffed up, but you know, they're shoes, like you have to wear them, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to get over it. But so I bought these right now. It is May 2022. I bought these about a week or two ago, and I haven't unboxed them because I was kind of busy. But right now they are retailing for, let me get my receipt over here. Right now they're retailing for $730 USD, and our sales tax was $66. So this was my total. So yeah, just the thought of like knowing that I spent that much money on shoes kind of gives me a little bit of a, I don't know. But I'm very excited to try these out. I'm going on a few trips, and yeah, I went for the darker color because I figured that the navy goes really well with summer clothes because it's on the dark side. So I saw these really pretty pink ones that were kind of beaded. That would match a lot of my bags and clothes that I wear, but I figured I would go with a darker color first, and then I figured black would maybe be a little too dark, so I figured the blue would be a good color to try it out. And then I saw videos where this kind of rubs off, and I hope it doesn't because it's super pretty. And I'll take these stickers off later. So yeah, these are my first luxury shoe purchase, and I feel very excited that it comes with the two dust bags, because I've always thought, like when I was a little girl, like if I can get shoes with two dust bags, I'll know that I've made it. So I really feel like I'm kind of making that her little dreams come true. And then let me show you an idea that kind of why I picked these shoes. Hold on one second. I brought a few purses out that I kind of envision wearing with these shoes. I am the type of person who likes my shoes to match my bag in some sort of way. They don't have to like match exactly, but you know, I do like to kind of style them a little bit. So considering that these are slides, I figured that I'd bring out my most used summer bags right now to see kind of, so I think that they go really well with like cream. And then let's see, so here's my multi-pochette. I think that would go really cute together. And then I also have this kind of creamy bag. It's my little, I forgot what this is called, super mini Marmont. So I think that would look really cute together. And then I think it would go really cute with like this blushy colored, because I see myself wearing these with like a lot of whites and grays and like this blush color and blues. And then I also have, I think it would look good with this bag. Oh yeah, that would look really cute together with like a sundress. And then if we want to go super like matching branded, I think it goes really cute with those two. I might actually wear this combo today. Yes, I still have the stickers on, but I'm probably going to take these off today. But yeah, I think that would go really cute together. And then here's the one that really matches it. My my, what is it called? Book tote. And then it's kind of like the opposite coloring. So yeah, I think that that would look really cute together. And then I think it would look good with shorts or even like jeans and like a white shirt, or jeans and a black shirt, or some printed tank tops. I don't think that this is too, I mean, it is like a big old logo right there, but I think it's like not too in your face. So yeah, thanks for listening to me babble on about my new shoes. I'm excited to see how they work out for me, and I'll keep you guys updated on the wear and tear, because I like seeing videos about how people are enjoying things that they purchase. Yeah, thanks guys. Bye.